Okay, so we destroyed our targets. I do want to say, you guys, over the course of this summer, you will see this range really become a range. We're going to have a lot of steel targets. We're going to bring some out here. The chains, we're pretty much ruined them. So there's that. Here's our glass. This is the moment of truth. As you can see, there's some lead stuck up in there. It's pretty funny. Your 22s hit right here. There's a few shots. Did not make it all the way through. Busted, completely shattered behind it. This is actually glass from a prison, believe it or not, years ago. 308 went right through it. No chance at all. You can actually see the holes. It went all the way through. In the video, you can see the dirt kick up behind it where the bullet went straight through. So, yeah, definitely a good difference there. I wouldn't want to be behind it. We can maybe do something in the future with multiple shields of these stacked up in front of one another. See how many times it'll take a bullet to go through all of them. So, there you go. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you join the FPC and the GOA, obviously. Links to do so will be in the description. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.